Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Creating with a Heart, and today is the start of the Christmas in July 2018 collab. And so this is one of the first collabs I think I've ever done. I'm going to be doing a Girls Just Want to Have Sun collab as well. That one will be posted on either Saturday or Sunday. This collab is done every Friday in July. So I will be working on a tag flip. And so I needed some components for that. So I decided to use that as my project for today. So I made some tags. And so what I've got to do is decide how to package them up. And I hadn't really decided that yet. So what I've got here are some really cute tags. I used Cottage Cuts dies. And I used some paper from Recollections. I think it's Recollections. And let me see if I can pull that paper pad out. If I can grab it, because everything is like a leaning tower of the world over here. This one is Fa La La Llama is the one I'm using. Very untraditional colors, which I'm really enjoying if to be doing Christmas in July. Not to say I won't be doing some more traditional stuff, because I probably will, but I do love the fact that they're very untraditional. So you've got, you know, Christmas tags for you. I kind of wish I kept it, and to and from with a llama. And so it's definitely Christmas. Definitely Christmas. Definitely Christmas. Ho, 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 not a creature with stirring, not even a llama, but, you know, not a lot of traditional colors, which I really was excited to do. And so one of the papers they had is this absolutely gorgeous foil with the snowflakes, and it's got these little ornaments on it. I absolutely love it. So I cut that up, and I was able to get 3 ornaments, actually, yeah, or 3 tags, I'm sorry, out of it. 2 tags using the full paper, and then 1 just using part of it. Okay, so I'll go over each one. So this one just uses this cute little snowman Cottage Cuts die. And then I just used a Spellbinders die. Let me pull it out in case you guys are interested, because anything can be used to make, you know, a tag. So I use this die right here. This is labels 38. So that's what I used to make this. And I cut it out in this blue, and then I cut it out in the pattern paper and just adhered it. And then I used some of this trim that I have from Stampin' Up. I've had it forever. I just layered it on there, used a little flower from my stash. I put some glitter on it, and then just tied it up here so it's a tag. This one is also a Cottage Cuts die, and I really, really like this one, this particular die, quite a bit. It's like a hot cocoa, and I just used a portion of it because I didn't have enough space to do the whole die, so I didn't want to waste any of that paper. And then this one right here, it uses this cupcake snowman with some trim. And then my Martha Stewart punch, I just cut punched some snowflakes out, put a little bling in there, and tied it up. And so now I'm stuck with how to package it. So I thought about this, which might be an option. But I also have, and I've been really trying to use at least one time, the stuff that I have recently purchased. So this is from Tuesday Morning. These are these Recollections paper sacks, normally $5, and these were $1.49. They're really high quality. They're not real thin. They're high quality. I just don't know if these are going to fit in here. So I'm going to try and see if how well they fit in here without getting too smushed. They're relatively flat, except this one with the flower. Oh, that's cute. So I've got this, and then I've got this paper right here, because I'm going to adhere this onto my tag. So this is the leftover paper. So I used every single bit of that paper pretty much, because it's just so cute. So pretty. So I just didn't want to waste it. I think I have exactly enough of that paper, not this particular kind of paper, but the Fa La La paper pad to do my my tag flip with. So here we go. So there's that. And then I have this this tag right here, or this little cut. Isn't that cute? So I'm going to go ahead and put this on there. And I'm going to use some, okay, get it on there really well. And now it's all ready to go for my tag flip. So I'll probably just adhere it onto my tag, and then, you know, my person who's getting it will get these cute little bundled tags. So that's my first project for the Christmas in July collab. Be sure to visit all of the bloggers, the YouTubers that are on the list. You know, it's really hard as a crafting YouTuber, especially since they changed the rules on getting monetized. I'd been monetized for years, and then it went away. I had gone through very rough, still going through a couple of years of my divorce, and so I hadn't done a lot of crafting. And so I had actually fairly decent channel with popularity, and then I just, you know, so when it came time for them to change the monetization, it was kind of done. So things like these collabs are really nice too, because you get to see a lot more crafters than you know is out there. And so it's a great way of seeing who else is out there and what they're making and supporting them. So thank you so much for watching today. This is Cindy, Praying with the Heart.